Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Riley, if you don't know me. Since it's the first day of spring, I thought I'd do a bikini try on haul because I bought bikinis recently and I thrifted some. So I thought, why not kick off the season with a little haul and show y'all because I'm so excited for the warm weather. I'm so tired of the cold since spring. Let's do a little bikini haul, try on haul. Look at this. Look, it snapped. But anyways, yeah, let's get right into this video and first off, let's start off with we do a fit check. Aggie vibes I am today. Thrifted. This is her ad. It's from a small business, her ad. And this is from another small business. This is their ad. And my demonias. Oh no, this is very shaggy. I'm really into green and brown lately. I feel like that's gonna be a spring trend. I should do a spring trend video. So this is the first top, bikini top I thrifted. You know, sometimes you just want like a shirt, you know, you don't want to wear a bikini. So I got this. Very cute, right? Okay. I thrifted these. I think they're gonna be a little too big. That's okay though, but I thought they were so cute. I feel like the whole Hawaiian floral is gonna be so in. I got this too. I also think it's gonna be a little big. But like I said, I'm into browns and greens lately. Like the Hawaiian floral, those are definitely gonna be trends. I should definitely do what I think is gonna be a trend. So those are the ones I thrifted from PacSun. 2 bikinis from PacSun. I have like a boy built body. Like I have no, you know what I mean. Nothing against my boy body, but I got some things that would flatter my boy body. Like I got this Playboy top. It was super cute with the size. I got that. Since I'm a redhead and I burn so easily, I like wearing light colors. So I don't burn. So I got a white one. So awkward. I don't know why I didn't get the bottoms. Ew. Awkward. So I guess just the top. I swear I ordered the bottoms. I guess I didn't. Okay, well I have to go back and order the bottoms, but I ordered white ones. I just ripped my nail. I got these bottoms, but to a different bikini top. It's a little booty. I thought I got those in white too. I guess I didn't. Got this top to go with it. Like a little bralette style for my boy body. So adorable. I thought it'd be adorbs. Bikinis that I got. And I'm gonna do a little try on haul now. Ooh. Okay, so let's get into the other half of this video. Top I thrifted. It's cute. It's not too heavy, not too loose. It's like an actual shirt, but it's like, you know, it kind of goes with this skirt, not gonna lie. Sorry I didn't take the pants off. But she's cute. She's a wow. Definitely like way too big for me. Like it's supposed to be like this, but it does not fit my no booty. Kind of awkward. I don't know, really don't know what to do. Real to make the bottom tighter. Like I would like it tighter. Down a bit. Embarrassing. Great, but it's really cute. Okay, next one. Okay, awkward again. This had a tie though, but I thought I could tie it tighter, but I can't. So this doesn't fit either. I really dropped a tutorial on how to shrink a bikini bottom because it lives in a pineapple under the sea, not this booty, so I don't got one. If someone could drop a tutorial on shrinking bikini bottoms. Cute, the Hawaiian. So awkward. Now let's go to the ones that hopefully fit. This is the first bikini. I'm not gonna do like a booty shirt because I don't got a booty, but it's cute. I didn't take the tags off yet because I don't know. I think it's really cute. It also came in like a brown. I asked everyone, they said the blue would look better on me, so I got the blue. I also don't think it's actually a bikini. I think it's like activewear that people wear as a bikini. You know, because I wear a lot of my bralettes as bikinis too, but it's cute. Like the others. I think it's cute. Cute as booty. Definitely 11 out of 10. The top, the Hawaiian top, 12 out of 10. The shorts, I'll give a 1 out of 10 because they don't fit, but they're cute, so that's why they're on a 0. And this, definitely 11 or 12 out of 10 because I really like this. And yeah. Okay, next bikini top. Okay. I just put on some random like sleeping shorts with it. But this is the top. This top is way better than the top. I feel more confident in this top. Definitely like this top a lot better. I'm just gonna rip the tag off because I know I'm gonna keep her. I think she's so cute. I actually really like this one. It's like just like a baby top, a baby tee. Very cute. There's some kid on a scooter staring at me. Hello. I wish I actually put the bottoms too, but I didn't. But this is very cute. I like it. This is 12 out of 10. And look at the side details. So cute. Definitely recommend getting this from Pakistan. Fits my boy body, my boy build. I like it so much. Fave. It's my fave. I'll tell you that. I'm back in my pajamas. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little haul. I had to make it a little spicy with the try on part. But let me know your fave piece, and if you got a tutorial on shrinking bikinis, let me know because I would actually like to wear those shorts. And I thrifted. Yeah, I hope you liked. Let me know your fave. My fave was definitely the Playboy Pakistan white top. I wish bikini bottom I thought I did, but I didn't. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm actually really excited for spring, summer, and being able to wear those. And I think I'm gonna do like a spring trend type of video. What I think the spring trends are gonna be in like summer trend, because I actually think like a lot is gonna involve green and brown and like swirly swirl cuteness, you know. Hear me out. But yeah, let me know your favorite piece. Drop the tutorial if you got one, and I hope you have an amazing day, night, whatever time of the day you are watching this, but I hope your day is overall around amazing. And yeah, thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, your whole shebang when it comes to my channel, and I'll see y'all soon. Oh my god, bye. I am so dumb. Blooper moment. I just went downstairs, and this is the top. That's why there's another Sun package downstairs for me. Embarrassing. Yep. Found the bikini bottom. Kind of lazy and don't want to put it all back on. But yeah, this is the second bikini blooper moment. Oops, sorry, I'm not gonna put it on though. Okay, bye now again. See you all again in the next video. I just wanted to show her. Okay, bye bye now.